Hello everyone, this is Maya from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica S espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to replace the Mechano Valve, this one that you see right here. This one takes care of all the brewing process. Basically water comes through here and then this gets pushed all the way by the transmission, where it actually creates a good seal, and then water goes into the outer into the spouts where it will deliver to the cup. So what was happening with this Mechano Valve? Instead of actually going through the spouts, it was going through the other side. So it was leaking through the hot water spout instead. And yeah, that's what we did. We replaced the Mechano Valve, and we also replaced the water pump. And now we're going to be testing it out, starting with one shot of espresso. Go. Grinder is definitely grinding. Transmission is now pushing the brew unit and then compressing it over here. The water pump, the new water pump, will start pushing water pulling water from the tank, then pushing it through the thermal block into this hole over here, the Mechano Valve, and then out of the spouts, as you see like that. There you go. Nice steady stream coming out of this beautiful machine. It's gonna stop around the 2 ounces mark. Perfect. Shot of espresso, good crema as well. Even though we're using our test coffee, this is a good shot of espresso. And now we're going to test the hot water function of this machine. We will not be able to use the cappuccino or anything else because we do not have the carafe. But as you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine and working the way it's supposed to. Previously, this machine will just, whenever you brew coffee, it will come through the hot water spout instead of actually going through the coffee spouts. But as you can see, now the machine is working perfectly fine and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.